Hey guys, I didn't even see you there. So welcome back to another extra bite of the week where I take you behind the scenes, get a little bit more information about me, Chef Drake. And today I want to talk about the fact that what's the hardest dish you ever cooked? Because that's a question I get sometimes as well. And I would say the hardest dish that I've ever cooked would have to be paella. And that's because paella is a very tricky dish to cook, in my opinion. I think it's one of those things where I don't cook it enough. And when I do cook it, I know the technique, I know what to do, but I might cook it once every 3 years or so. And it's not like cooking a steak or frying a piece of chicken or grilling something. It's not even that it's super hard, it's just meticulous. You have to remember the steps and do it correctly because when you cook paella, the best thing to have is that sauerkraut, which is the really nice golden crust underneath, right? And the hardest thing to do is to not stir the rice. So you have to get all your flavors going, get everything in, add the rice, stop, then cook everything through, heat it up at the end to crisp up and caramelize the rice, but do not burn it, and then serve it. And it's just like, if you get it right, it's perfect. And if you get it wrong, it's wrong. So I would say that's the hardest dish that I've cooked. And I have not perfected it, but I do feel like I do a pretty good paella. So I'll say that. All right, guys, see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and do all the things. Share with everybody. I'll see you next week. Have a good one.
For watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.